Hydramet, we're specialists in disinfection, so that looks after putting the right amount of chlorine into the water to disinfect. We've got chemical dosing and metering and then filtration. We've got 5 offices countrywide, 1 in each state. We've got the professional service part of the business where we offer training and site audits. We then have the project side of the business where we will build a water treatment plant from scratch. We've got the service side of the business where we've got guys out on the road making sure that the plant's running properly all the time. And then we've got a spare parts business for all of the equipment that we supply.
Like Trility, Hydramet's been around for 20+ years in Australia and has developed a team which has probably the best capability in disinfection in Australia and certainly is a provider of the best equipment available in this field.
So Hydramet's role is to make sure that all the disinfection equipment is working properly, installed properly and running properly. We've got a team of 70 people across the whole country. We service 603 sites. We specialise really in some of the remote areas, so we do a lot of service work, particularly in WA for the remote Aboriginal communities and for the mining sector. One of the most important ways to look at disinfecting water is using chlorine gas. Now, chlorine gas can be hazardous if it's not handled properly, so Hydramet takes it pretty seriously and we make sure that all of our guys have got the highest standard of training when it comes to dealing with chlorine gas. So we internally train all of our guys to the highest standard, but then we're nationally accredited to deliver the chlorine handling and safety training, and we do that for a number of companies countrywide.
Emergency response is something we hope not to have to provide, but we have it there in our kit of capability, and occasionally we have clients and non-clients who have issues with their equipment. Chlorine gas particularly is a substance which needs specialist handling, and we can be there in the shortest possible time with a specialist trained team to resolve any issues. Training is a key part of the service that we offer. It's important to us and it's important to our clients that the people who deal on a day-to-day basis with this equipment fully understand it and fully understand the implications of dealing with it. Disinfection is a key part of our clients' business, and having that capability to fully understand the equipment is very, very important to us. Trility's brand is about water quality, and obviously disinfection services tend to be the last step in that chain to provide potable water.
The disinfection process is probably the most important part of the water treatment process, and it takes it from water that might be clean, but it takes it to where it's safe to drink.